This is my around 32 liter indoor racing blimp. It's got a 150 milliamp hour battery at the front, a 1002 1400 kV motor with a 65mm prop. Focus. 2 decased pull 1.7 gram servos and a V-tail, which helps with the Jesus moment. When you make a sharp turn, the nose does not pull down. It makes for some other funky handling. It's got a nice valve here and it's holding pressure quite well. This is the first battery I've put through it. So let's go and try it out. There's no thrust vectoring or anything on this ship, so it's just aerodynamic controls alone. But as you will be able to see, it's surprisingly nimble. Just with the aerodynamics. Trying to film and fly at the same time. It's quite hard. And this is, I guess, a third throttle or a quarter throttle or something like that. Goes along really nicely. Don't want to go much faster in this room here. And there you can see if you push down and roll or yaw at the same time, then it gets a little funky. But the nice thing is, in higher speed turns, it's fine, as you can see. So that's a little test flight. Hit a wall there while turning off my throttle. Let's do a little reverse thrust to reset ourselves. That's the problem with having only aerodynamic controls. You need some speed to maneuver, so sometimes I need to do some 3 or 4 point turns here. But yeah, all in all, it works quite well. All up weight right now around 30 grams or so, 32 grams I think. I've got a little bit of weight mounted on the tail. Here a piece of brass on the back because I was a little too pessimistic in my CG calculations, so I mounted everything a bit too far forward. But yeah, I'll just loosen up the glue and move it a little bit and then she'll be great. Thanks for watching.